Hi guys, Anne-Marie here with AMR Creative Reviews. Today I'm going to be looking at these shears. So I wanted to show you the packaging first before I actually opened it up and used it. But look how nice this is. It has a little zipper bag here, and the seller did send this to me to give an honest review, so we're going to take a full look at it. But I wanted to show you how it comes packaged. Everything is individually wrapped, which looks really nice. So let's open this up and give these a go here, because I do think these would make a great gift as well. So to me, I'm all about how the packaging looks. So I like that everything is individually wrapped. That's really cool. So what do we have here? We have, okay, so just be careful. We'll push this down. This comes out, okay? And we'll test that out outside. Here is another one here. All right, again, this one unsnaps there. Boop, boop, boop. You can see the construction there. Everything feels good quality. Okay. Pair of gloves. I'll show those to you. Maybe you want to actually see them. Let's see here. So there's the gloves there. They have like a grip to them, which is good. So you can hang on to stuff. Another little kind of scissory one. There's the quality. Looks good. Okay. And then last but not least, we've got a bigger version. So that one is, the lock is here and they come apart. And that's how it looks there. So now we're going to go test these out. Okay, now I've got the bigger one here. Look at that. I'm going to test it out on this stronger vine here. No problem. And then we've got some rosemary here, so I'm just going to use this one here. I'm going to try this one out. Snap. Super easy.